Quantities and proportions tell us when two ratios describe the same relationship. We will first read ratios correctly, then simplify and scale them, and finally use those ideas to work through 511+ style questions. The first step is to make sure each ratio is being compared in the right order. Red counters to blue counters is 3 to 5, then 3 parts belong to red and 5 parts belong to blue. With the order fixed, both numbers in a ratio can be divided by the same common factor without changing the comparison. For question 1, 12 to 18 becomes 2 to 3. Now that the simplified comparison is known, the parts can be matched to a total. For question 2, a ratio of 2 to 3 has 5 parts altogether, so a total of 30 sweets gives 6 sweets per part, and the shares are 12 and 18. With one part value found, an equivalent ratio is made by multiplying both sides by the same number. For question 3, if 4 to 7 is scaled so that the first amount is 20, the multiplier is 5 and the second amount is 35. With equivalent ratios understood, direct proportion means that when one quantity is multiplied, the related quantity is multiplied by the same amount. For question 4, if 3 notebooks cost £6, then 1 notebook costs £2 and 5 notebooks cost £10. Now that a single unit can be found, a harder proportion question can pass through 1 unit before scaling up. For question 5, if 8 pencils cost £2.40, 1 pencil costs 30 pence and 12 pencils cost £3.60. With all 5 questions solved, each answer can be checked by asking whether the same multiplier or the same part size was used throughout. The 5 answers are 2 to 3, 12 and 18, 35, £10 and £3.60.